Okay, so UK100. Um, I do have two positions. I am hedged on this thing, and I don't regret getting in, and I think I'll still do pretty well. But it's just I'm gonna be tied up for weeks in this pair now, this index. So it looks like it is running out of steam, slowly but surely. There's a major area here, so hopefully this is running out of steam. I got hedged positions here. I got a buy here. I have a sell way down here. So it's barely costing me anything to keep open, so that's good. But and I'm gonna learn. I mean, I have learned a lot from this trade already, but just taking, having to be hedged out with a long and a short position, and being hedged out for a few weeks, and just being disciplined and patient, in order to not lose a bunch of money, but also then make some money on the same pair. Like, instead of losing, I would have lost a bunch of money on this, but I think what's going to happen is eventually I'm going to make money. So, which is a really nice difference, right? Instead of losing money, I'm going to make money, which is what we want. And this is a real, like I went over in previous videos. I mean, this area, like, this was the perfect short position. Like, based on my trading philosophy and strategies, like, I did everything right, but price just, it switched up and just annihilated me. So I did have a buy that was lower than this. I closed it before because I thought price had lost its momentum, but clearly didn't, kept going. So I had to take another buy position that was quite a bit higher, but the first one I did make money off of. So it is what it is. Going to have to just wait this one out, stay hedged for a while, and just see how it plays out. But odds are I will still make money, but it's going to just take time. So I mean, I thought this was going to be a quick trade that would go, I thought it was, since it was rejecting so hard here, it was below this moving average, I was like, perfect, we're just going to short this right to here, and quick, a few days, make really good money, no problem, no stress. But instead I got this nightmare to deal with now, so I'm dealing with it, and I think I'll do just fine, to be honest. So a good learning lesson. Sometimes price can be, you can be totally wrong, and your analysis, everything is correct, like as far as the setup and like your trading plan and all the fundamentals, everything aligns properly, and then for whatever reason the market just does not cooperate and goes completely against you, and you have to deal with it. So that is what I am doing.